Alrighty guys, we are back again with another property tour, guys, and you are going to just be astonished. This is next level stuff here. Okay, so y'all already know, guys, our Modern Nava with Texas relocation experts at the Nava Realty Group, checking back in with another property tour. And as always, guys, be sure to follow us on Instagram at Nava Realty Group, where you guys can find us. We're always posting daily uploads with homes. If you guys want to inquire about any homes, we do service Dallas, Austin, Houston. We just opened up McAllen, Texas, San Antonio, and you are about to freak out with the pricing on these homes. Yes, this ultra luxury, beautiful, modern, contemporary home that you're seeing right now. Look at this. I want you to just look at this. This is just, look at the quality of this home. It is insane. They're starting in the 300s. That's insane. Wow, like this is very gorgeous. Beautiful home. The pricing is insane. Keep in mind, this is McAllen, Texas, so it's a little bit smaller city. It's a border town. It's really close to Mexico, but it's not too far out from Corpus and not too far out from Houston and San Antonio. A couple hour drive. But as you can see, the amount of money you get, the bang for your buck, is insane. Once again, we just opened up here in McAllen, Texas. If you guys want to inquire, we do have a team out here now. This is an amazing builder. I'm just astonished with the pricing. Look at the flooring. Look at the detail in this home. Tell me what you guys think. In the 300s, I think this one, he said right around, this would probably be exactly the way it is. Probably the high 300s. And look at the beautiful light fixtures, and that is actually electrical. So you can actually use a remote to lift the windows up. But I'm gonna run on over to the master because you guys are gonna freak out with this master bedroom. It is beautiful. Look at this. Now we're talking. And then you have this electric fireplace. Stop. You got the marble. What? Look at this beautiful modern. Wow. I'm not sure. Am I overreacting, guys? Am I overreacting? Or are you guys just astonished as well? Double vanity. You have this like golden, beautiful look and the white and this beautiful closet. Look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this closet. Sheesh. I'm gonna show my wife this video. She's like, oh my goodness, babe, we need to get this. I think this is actually, yep, it's a pool. Look at that. Nice rain shower. This is beautiful. Wow. I'm honestly really impressed with this home. We're gonna run through it really quickly, guys. Once again, I do apologize. The sales rep has got to get his work done, so I don't want to inconvenience him. I told him I was gonna do a run through really quickly. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour. But as always, guys, Jesus Christ loves you. He cares about you. Just a friendly reminder. I like to remind you that. So don't stress, because Jesus loves you and he's there by your side. Let's check out this little closet space here. Now we're gonna check out the bathroom. The backyard. Right. Here's the backyard. Beautiful. Look at this. Huge backyard. Guys, tell me what y'all think. Comment down below. As always, be sure to click that link in the description to see what you guys think of this home. And if you guys want to inquire about it, once again, I apologize. Got some people coming in, so they got to do their job. That being said, y'all take care. God bless. Stay tuned for more. Look at this huge car garage. All right, guys. God bless you all. Take care.